Hi guys.
Hi.
Do you have any questions on
Hello.
homework?
I finished.
You finished, Amma. Did you have any questions?
No, not really.
Not really. 7 to 13 was easy for you?
Yeah, kind of. Oh, yeah, it was.
No, it's okay to be easy. I feel at this point in time, you see, you practice for sixth grade now. How about
Miss Priya,
Rajans? Yeah, Neil, you have a question, Neil?
I forgot to turn in my homework, but I did it.
You did it. Okay. Were they easy?
Yeah.
Did you need help from your mom and dad?
Only a little bit, but then I got it.
Got it. Okay. Okay. How about you, Kiara?
It was good. I just finished it because I've been busy this whole weekend, but I submitted it.
Yeah. But did you have any questions on them how to do?
No.
No? Okay, interesting. Appa. I don't know what's going on. Um, 1 second, guys. Hello, Vivi. Why I'm not able to see myself? Is my video on?
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't see myself. Why is that? Oh wow.
Well, we see you.
I don't see myself. 1 second, guys. I really want to fix this. What's going on?
Okay.
I don't. Okay, maybe I'm not able to see myself. It's interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I really want to go get to what we were doing. How about, do you know how to calculate? Who's missing? Parvata is missing, huh? I don't
I'm
know.
right here.
That's how I actually have it now.
Parvata is here. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I'm just trying to understand some of the videos and wait, something is going wrong, definitely. See, that's where I concluded Sarvata is missing. Wait. Okay, where is my video? So, people. Mhm. See, why is this? I'm not able to see my video. Yeah, but I take the class. Wait. I want to go with the class, please. You go ahead. Vote up. Yeah, let me go ahead.
I know
You know how to?
Yes.
Okay, guys, how about this? Do we know how to do 15% of 20? We know how to do 15% of 20. What is 15% of 20? Ma, please use the part by whole equal to x by 100. The same things that we studied. You don't have to change any concept that we learned. Can you try that? Neil, did you say that you had a question?
No, I got all of it.
Okay, Saket, did you have a question in the homework?
No, I just asked my parents and they helped me. Is my answer correct?
What is it?
Is my answer correct?
Yes, Ma, 1 minute. Hey, wait. Some have answered. For these questions, I really want you to do a sanity check. Sanity check means 15% of 20 will be less than 20 or more than 20, Sarvata.
Oh.
Did you do 150%?
Um,
No, even then it's wrong. What did you do?
I tried to make it 100.
You tried to make it 100. Okay. Oh.
20 by 100.
Okay. So can you say what is 15%? See, guys, 15% means what? See, please use your formulas. Part by whole equal to x by 100, right? Percentage is 15 by 100. Part by whole is what?
Part
Of 20 means 20 is the whole. Whatever follows the of is always a whole, right? Whole is 20 is equivalent to the 100. So they're asking what is this part? How to do that? This was divided by 5. I have to come from there. Then only I can come from there, right? Part equal to 3. Akshat, good job. Arhan, are you listening?
I have
Arhan,
a question. How's
yeah.
it divided by 5 again?
What, ma?
Wait, how's it divided by 5 though? Oh, wait,
Because
I
100.
see it. They're both divided by, they can
Yeah,
be.
yeah, exactly. Can I
I
move?
just remembered that just now.
Oh, no problem. 0.3% of 14. Who can tell me?
is my answer correct?
On 3%, right? Honestly, having a hard time looking at the chart window. Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Is my answer correct?
Yeah. Saket, do you want to check one, Saket?
Oh, I think I did something wrong in the multiplication.
Exactly, on the placement of decimals. No, you got it, but the placement of decimals was incorrect. Varnika, how did you do, ma? Can you tell me what you did?
Since and when you explained like the twin thing last time, that's like divided to like find the answer thing. And so I divided, but since it didn't have a divisor, like yeah, I did something.
No, the percentage you'll have to substitute here, right? Part by 100. The percentage you'll have to submit here. Part by
What
whole.
is the percentage?
Yeah,
Like why is that sign there?
yeah. What is 0.3 percentage of 14 was the question, right?
Yeah, get it now.
So the percentage should be substituted here. Of 14 means 14 is a whole part. Now, how did 14 become 100? They literally divided by 14. So it became 1 times 100. So the operation is division. I'm sorry. The other way, right? They divided by 100 times 14, right? So 0.3 should be divided by 100 times 14, which simplifies to 7 by 50. Now 7 threes are 2.1 divided by 50, which is again messy, right? 2.1 divided by 50 in this case, right? It will become 21 by 500.
Yeah, the thing was I mixed them up. Like I 0.3 was like P and 0.3 and 14 and 100. That's like I mixed.
Yeah, I get it. But it is very important to do that. You got
Because
it?
last time you did another number and another one, and you did the first one for like the 100, and then you did P for like the second one. So I thought that was supposed to be like that.
I see. Now you got it?
But yeah, I got it now.
4.2 divided by 100 is what? 0.042. Saket, did you get it? The placement of the decimal was incorrect. Did you see that?
Yeah, I got it right on paper, but on the computer I just typed
Oh,
it.
you typed it wrongly. Okay. 0.5% of half is what, ma? Try, I'll help you if you want to. 0.5% of half. Half a percent of half is what? Can I do or you're going to do, guys? You let me know if you're stuck. Just keep me posted, guys.
Is my answer correct?
Is your answer correct? Who asked that question? Akshata.
Socket.
Saket. Yeah, Saket. For that one, that was correct. Saket, did you send me the answer for this one?
Yeah. Is my answer correct?
Saket, can you resend?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Arnita.
I resent it.
2.1. Saket, again the placement of decimal is incorrect. What is going on, Saket? Varnika, the same thing. Wait, ma. Wait. Charvata, that's correct. See, guys. Akshat, what was your answer? Arhan, why are you keeping so quiet?
I got 0.05.
0.05.
But that doesn't. That's not.
No.
That sound
Okay,
right.
wait. Arhan, what is going on with you? Arhan. Hey, I'm going to, yeah. See, without your video, huh?
I just got back from the bathroom.
Okay, but don't switch off your video, right?
Okay.
What is 0.5% of half? 0.5% of half means this is 0.5, right? 0.5% part by the part by whole equal to x by 100, right? What is x, Varnika? You tell me. What is x in here? What is x? Yes, Akshat.
Is it 0.5?
Yeah, 0.5. Varnika, are you getting it or not, ma?
Yeah, that was about to be my answer, but since it has to be half, I thought I could like take that half off it.
Okay, off half. What is part or whole is half? Neil.
Wait. I have a question. Isn't 0.5 the whole? Like 1/2? Like not the percent one, like
Yeah, what is half should be substituted in the part or the whole?
whole. You know what I'm saying?
What, ma?
Oh, you were asking for the percentage half. Okay, never mind. I got confused for a second.
Okay, so part see, half a percentage of half. Sarvata, do you want to explain? This can be written as 0.5% of half. Our formula is part by whole equal to x by 100. What is x?
0.5. Now I got it.
What is 0.5? Where should be substituted?
To x.
Ma, we did study this, right? That's what I'm asking you. Yeah, to x, the percentage, right? This is 0.5. Now, of whatever follows the of keyword, right? Is whole or part?
Which one?
Half
Oh yeah.
is part or whole?
Half is whole.
Half is the whole.
Oh, sorry, I was talking on mute.
Oh, no problem, ma. Part by whole.
Yeah.
Now, part will be equal to 0.25 by 100. So, you move the decimal place 2 times to the left. Empty
Yeah.
umbrella means you have to fill it with a 0. Saket, the answer is this.
So,
You got it? 1/4% of 3. Who can tell me? Even if it's a fraction, I'm fine. Timer or your timer, guys?
It was mine.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Sometimes I feel like, oh, that same alarm. Go ahead. Go ahead. 1/4% of 3 is what?
Do I say it out loud?
I want somebody to guide me. Kiara, now you're going to guide me. How do I do this?
Okay, so first you do part by whole and then x and 100.
Thank you, Ma. I'll help you, Kiara. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake. Go ahead.
Okay, so for w you'll put 3 because 3 is
Correct.
the whole. And then for x, it'll 1/4 is also 0.25.
Oh, nice, Kiara. That's it. So what happens now?
I get a little confused on this part.
On this one now.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, part by 3. See, like that you explained to me, right? See, is this okay? Now you got it, right? Now, how do you solve this as an equation? You want the value of p. There is a division by 3. What do you do? See, when you divide a variable by 3, how to remove that division by 3? You multiply by 3. You got it? So that
Yeah.
3 and 3, 3 in the numerator, denominator gets cancelled. So P will be equal to 0.75 by 100. Answer is 0.0075. Saket, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. We are dealing with harder ones, guys. It's okay. If you don't understand, slowly you should though. Let's see. There is in the book, there is a equiva link, okay, which converts decimals, percentage, and fractions on page number 14 and 15. I don't plan to do this puzzle here, but I would like you to do it at your house. Is that okay? Meaning, literally, there is a square. Equaling means you're going to relate equivalent fractions, percentages, decimals using lines within boxes. Only constraint is the links should not touch any of the lines. Like no line should go cutting across any other line. So there are some rules pertaining to the puzzle. I would like you to read that and do it at home. It's just a puzzle and the concept is just relating to percentage, decimals and fractions. Can I leave it to you to do?
Yeah, I think.
The other harder ones we'll do it here. Make sense?
Okay.
What is 75% of 36? Please, all of you in chat.
Is my answer correct?
I know what, something is going wrong. I got it now. Okay, see, every time the video gets attached. Okay, good. Akshat, that's good. Yes, Ma Sarvata, you're good. I got 3 answers. Arhan, I didn't get. Neil, is it becoming easy? Neil?
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, nice. Arhan, can I get your answer?
Is my answer correct?
Yes, Saket, correct.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, please, go come quickly. Yes, Varnika, good job. Okay, no problem. You're getting confused with the same step. So I'm here to help you, Varnika. Let me do it for you. Part by whole equal to x by 100, right? So this is whole, you know. So part by 36 equal to 75 by 100. Can you simplify 75 by 100, Varnika?
Yeah.
How will you simplify 75 by 100?
So I simplify 75 by 100. I don't think I'm gonna like explain it, but how will I do it? Yeah,
How
explain
will you
it.
simplify 75 by 100? Yes, Kiara, go ahead.
No, I have to explain it.
You can simplify 75 by 100 by 3 by 3 over 4.
Good job. P by 36 equal to 3 by 4. Okay. For all of you, I'll teach you something extra. Okay. That extra bit, you know, see here. 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 100. You all accept, right? When you look at this proportion, two ratios being equal, right? Can you say that 1 times 100 equal to 2 times 50? See, this butterfly actually works. Do you see? Multiplying the butterfly wings really works. So can I apply the same thing here? 36 times 3 equal to 4 times P. What is P? What is P? 4P is 36 times 3. Then what is P?
With 27.
36 times 3 by 4, which is 27. Kiara, is that easy, Kiara?
Yeah.
This
But
method.
my answer was correct though.
Hmm?
My answer was correct though.
Yeah, butterfly is easy. Butterfly method you can follow for 7th grade, not 6th grade. 6th grade, if you do, several teachers get angry. Can I move on? Can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
What is 9% of 40? All of you do and tell. Yes, go ahead, Kiara. Sarvata Arhan correct, Akshat correct, ma'am. Correct, Arhan. I'm waiting for Kiara and Varnika. Saket, did you send? Yeah, Kiara, you got it. Saket?
I'm typing my answer in right now.
Yeah. Varnika, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm about to like send the answer.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You didn't send the answer, ma.
sended it. Did you not see it?
No.
Oh,
How
okay.
did you send it?
I'll see it. Send it again.
Oh, Neil. What is going on, Neil? You just substitute in that formula, right? Varnika, where is your answer, ma?
Yeah, I sent it again right now.
That's incorrect. How did you do it? Can you do it on the board, Varnika?
How do we annotate again?
Teach करो उसको.
Varnika, you're not able to write on the board. Okay, go to view. View options, annotate. Neil, I want you to help me, Neil. Neil and Varnika, both of you are going to do it on the board. Varnika, I want you to show. And Neil, can you help me? Usually we use this formula, right? Can you fill this in, Neil? Varnika, do it on the board.
I can't annotate. I'm on a Chromebook.
Oh, Chromebook doesn't work. Okay, tell me how did you do? I'll write on the board for you. Can you do?
So actually, wait. I think I got it.
Yeah, please do then. Yes, Varnika, that is perfectly correct. Can you go to the next step? Where are you substituting 40, ma? Varnika, I'm telling you so many times. Where are you substituting the 40? 9%. See, Varnika, this is the percentage, right? X by 100 represents percentage. Percent means divide by 100. 9% means 9 divide by 100, right?
So this thing means percentage. Oh, so that's why I've been mixing them up because I didn't know that the thing was like
9 by 100 equal to part by whole. Now, how to find out the part? I can use my butterfly. 9 fours are 360, divide by 360 equal to 100p. P will be equal to 360 by 100. When you divide by 100, the decimal moves to the left by 2 places. 3.6 is your answer. Can I move on?
yeah.
Okay. Let's move on. How about 29% of 11? All of you guys. The next one would be a word problem. Original cost of a jacket, of a pen, is $45. Okay. I have a coupon of 10% off. Okay. How much will I save if I use the coupon? How much will I save if I use the coupon? Tell me, guys. That seems right, Akshat. That was fast, Akshat.
You want me to resend the answer with both?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you. You have learned a lot, right, Akshat?
I think this is like one of the ones I'm really good at. Cause like I was like practicing one day and I came across this really good strategy that really helps me. So
Why don't you explain that to us?
no, I think you already explained it. Explained it.
Oh, the same part by whole?
No. It was like 29 times 11 and then divided by the whole. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. The butterfly one, no?
It makes it really easy for me.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Sakit, that's correct, ma. Akshat, that's correct. Kiara, did you get it? Sarvata, did you get it?
I solved the first one. I'm solving the second one.
Oh, sure. Did you send, ma, or you're waiting to
Oh,
send?
I'm gonna send them together.
Okay, sure. Arhan, that seems right to me. I'm waiting, guys. I think I got it from Arhan and Akshat. Rest of you, I'm waiting. Sarvata also, I got it. Saket, can you do the second one and send?
Yeah, I'm trying to send it together.
Sure. Kiara, at least one or two. I want the answer. Ma, Varnika, what are you doing? Kiara, that's correct. Very nice, Ma, Kiara. Can you do the second one? Varnika, what's going on?
Miss, can I fit after everyone's done? Can I explain the problem?
Absolutely. Go ahead. Now itself you can explain.
You want me to,
Auntie, is my second answer correct?
you want me to explain the
Uh,
first one?
1 minute, Ma. Yeah, 1 minute, Ma. Akshat, sorry. Saket, the second answer again. Okay, Saket, there is some trouble with decimal placement. We have to fix it today.
Oh,
Okay.
I misread the question. I thought it said how much money will it cost if I use the coupon?
How much oh, okay. Okay, Saket, you got the answer correctly. That's fine. Yeah, I'm just bothered about the concept. Okay, reading the question depends on you. Okay, so you will do it. That's fine. Neil, the first one you don't know, Neil. Okay, Akshat, go ahead and explain the first one.
Okay.
Go ahead.
First, part by whole
Uh-huh.
to
Mm-hmm.
100.
Mm-hmm.
Can you write for me?
Yeah, sure.
And then I'd substitute um x with 11.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, x not, wait, sorry, x with 29.
Varnika is explaining it again once for you.
So I would substitute x with 29.
Why are you substituting x for 29? Can you tell it out? Varnika is listening. Go ahead.
Because it's 29%.
Did you get it, Varnika? Whatever is in the person, Varnika, I want you to answer, Ma.
So on the X thing, there will be 29 since the thing will be percentages.
Yeah,
And then the W will be 11.
correct. Yes, Akshat, you keep going now.
Okay, I have a question. Do you want me to tell the answer way I did it? Or do you want to do
Anyway, you describe. That's fine.
29 times 11?
29 times. Okay, part is what? Oh, this is 29. So he did 29 times 11.
And then I got 319.
Okay, 318.
19.
இன்னைக்கு சுத்தம் பண்ணோம்.
19.
319, Amma, sorry. 319 will be equal to,
I divided it by 100.
wait, will be equal to 100p.
Oh,
Now
yeah.
divide by 100 on both sides. P will be equal to 3.19. Varnika, did you get it?
Yeah, I just can't remember after we like multiply the thing. Like I can't remember like when we like after I got 319, I forgot what to do.
After you got 319 equal to 100p, you'll have to divide by 100 on both sides.
Yeah, I just forgot that.
Then only you'll get p, right?
Yeah, that's why been getting it wrong. Because I
Okay.
got like the last part.
I see. How about this? This is a little bit of a tricky question. Okay. 33 1/3% of the 42 fish in a tank are goldfish. Okay. How many of the fish are not goldfish? How many of the fish in the tank are not goldfish? Neil, Neil, Seema, how many of the fish now? Why do you want to?
You
Neil,
want us to round?
okay. Was that the answer for the previous one?
You want us to round?
Rounda.
Yeah.
I don't think you'll end up rounding. How many of the fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Neil, another question to you, Neil. You answered 65 2 by 3, right? What is that, Neil? For the previous answer or this answer?
This answer.
See, Neil, I'm asking how many of the fish. Then would you answer in percentage? How many of the fish mean? Should it be a number or a percentage, Neil? Tell me.
A number.
Yeah, a number, right? So your answer cannot be. These are sanity checks you can do. It's number. Good job. So check your answer. I'll anyway help you.
Is my answer correct?
Each of you got one answer. Arhan, where is your answer, Arhan? Sarvata?
I'm still solving. Auntie, I'm kind of confused.
I'll help you. I saw that, Sakit. Hold on. Akshat, that's right. Kiara, I want you to redo, ma. I think you are getting it, but you're making a mistake. Can you work it out again? Sarvata, that's correct. Kiara,
Yeah.
Arhan and Kiara, I want you to redo and resend. I know you guys are getting it, but you're making a silly mistake.
I have a question, cause you said we didn't have to round it, but I ended up having to round it.
Oh, you ended up
Yeah,
having
me
to
too.
round it?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
like what happens is that you want
It goes.
it,
It's not a whole number, cause it's thirds, so you have to round it.
so like
No, right? It's
heck,
thirds na. 42 goes in thirds, right?
no. What I did was that I did 33.3.
1 minute, Akshat. What did you do?
Me?
Huh?
What I did is I like subtracted 100 minus 33 and a third to get 66 and 2/3, and then I put 66 and 2/3 over 100 using the part and whole method, and then since 100.
Okay. Let me go your way. Okay, there are tons of ways of solving this. I appreciate each of you coming up with your own way. Let me go your way. I would have never done that. Okay. Having said that, okay, I'll go with you. You got this, right, Ma?
Mm-hmm.
You want to find this, correct?
Yeah.
How did you find 66 2 by 3 percentage?
I subtracted it by 100 because It's
Yeah,
100%.
that is fine. That is fine. Now, how do you find this? 66 2 by 3 percentage. How will you find it?
Oh, so what I did is I made it an improper fraction.
Correct. So, what did you get?
I
Where is your answer? I asked you to resend.
I multiplied it by 0.42 and then I got 700.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. You said you converted to a improper fraction. What is the improper fraction?
101 over 3.
No, right? How did you do that? 66 times 3, right?
Yeah, oh, I see what I did wrong.
200 by 3 percentage. So 200 by 3 divide by 100, right? Will be equal to part by 400. 200, you cannot divide this fraction, right? So how will you do it? How to simplify that 200 divide by 3? You cannot divide the fraction. You multiply by 1 by 100. That simplifies the left side to 2 by 3. Now 800 will be equal to 3p. So something feels wrong to me though. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. 200. That simplifies to 200 by 300, which is 2 by 3. Correct. Now, this side is p by 42, ma, not 400, right? P by 42 equal to 2 by 3. So, what happens here? 84 equal to 3p. So, what is p? P will be equal to 84 divided by 3 is what? 20. Oh, wow.
Wait. Because I put in 14.
Me too.
Yeah. See, I'm getting. Yeah, I'm getting. Yeah, I know, guys. The Arhan Kiara got it actually. Sarvata Akshat Varnik, Sarvata Akshat. The problem is asking how many of the fish in the tank are not goldfish, right?
Yeah, I just
So
saw.
you did not answer to the question. Kiara, I'm sorry, ma. Kiara and Arhan, you both got it right actually. Can I move on?
So is my answer
Yeah.
correct or is it incorrect?
Yeah, Kiara, your answer is correct.
So, like, is my answer incorrect
Whose answer, ma?
on mine?
Varnika, you have an answer. Answer is on the board, right? Varnika, is your answer right?
Oh no.
What question is that? So
I
answer I have
couldn't
worked
get
it
it,
out
so
on the
it's just-
board. You, Ainama, what ma?
I couldn't really get it, like what you meant, what the answer was, so I was just asking.
I have circled the answer, ma. Did you see that, ma? I've clearly circled the answer is 28, right, ma? Okay, now let me go ahead and ask you a few questions. I really feel not convinced on some of you. 7% of 11 is equal to 1% of what number? How are we going to do this? 7% of 11 is equal to 1% of what number?
Oh, this is easy.
What does it mean? What do you think it means? I'll wait. Who can explain? So first, what can I do?
Do you think I can explain?
Yeah, why can't you? Go
Okay,
ahead.
so 7% is equal to 7 by 100.
Good. Let's do it together.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
so because 7 by 100 and then the whole would be 11.
Okay, so you want to work this out, huh? Okay, let's see. 7% of 11, you're working it out, okay? 7 by 100 equal to part by 11, okay? Now what do you do?
It's 1177, and then
77 by
77 by 100 is a 0.77.
part equal to 0.77, right? So this side evaluates to 0.77. Varnika, are you following this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now 0.77 equal to 1% of what? Okay.
Oh, I got it.
How to
Wait.
do that?
So you'd since 1% is the percent and then 0.77 is the part,
Mm-hmm.
you do 1 over 100.
Mm-hmm.
and then, yeah,
But now what? 1% of what means how to fill in the P by W?
you do P equals 0.77.
Good. Part is 0.77. Whole you don't know, right? Now multiply. Whole will be equal to 77. That's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 1% of 77 is the same as 7% of 11. Can I move on?
Yeah,
How about 20% of 412 is equal to 10% of what number? I'll do it, guys, this time. Parnika, do you need help or are you following?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay. Okay, ma.
Is my answer correct?
is my answer correct?
Is my answer correct?
Good, ma. Yeah, ma. Is your answer correct? Okay. Okay, Varnika, I think you're getting it. It's a little confusing for Kiarava. Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, all the others got it. Neil, you're making slight mistakes. Neil, can you help me? I am going to do Makiara. Varnika, there is a decimal placement issue, but I'm impressed that you got there. The concept you got it, but the placement of decimal again, decimal is getting wrong. I'll help you. I want Neil. Can you explain how you did?
What I did was 20% of 412, and I got 82.12. And then I just did times 12. I mean, not 12, 10.
Please, I'm going to write it for you. Go ahead, tell me what is the first step I need to write because I
So
have to understand how you do.
first step was I did 20% of 412.
Wow, what was that?
That was 82.12.
1 minute, let's see. That was 82 point.
12.
P equal to 412 by 5, 8, 2. 82 point?
12.
82.4, right?
Yeah.
You know what? You did not divide properly. Okay.
I
Okay.
did 82.12.
Okay. 8. I thought, okay, then am I making a mistake, Neil? You're confusing me. For 5 8s are 40, 12. 5 2s are 10, 20. Yeah, 82.4, right? Check the division, ma. Neil, check the division. I'll wait.
Oh, yeah, I said that wrong. 82.4.
Okay, no problem. Proceed. 82.4. Next step, what is that? So this
I just did
Kiara,
that times 10 because that would equal the total if it's 10%.
Yeah, so what should you do? Hey, Varnika, that is not the answer, right? You have to proceed with it, right? You have to find what? You have to reapply the same formula, right, Varnika?
Mm-hmm.
So 10% here, 10% of what? Whatever follows the of is the whole. You don't know the whole. That is what you need to find out. But the
Yeah,
part
so I did
uh-huh.
82.4 times 10 because it's already the 10%.
Mm-hmm.
So that equaled the whole. So, yeah, I think I just wrote.
Wrongly. Okay. So answer is Varnika. Now you have to do this, right? Did you do this entire step? I think you missed this entire step. Varnika.
Yeah.
So the answer is
802.4.
Okay. How about this? 60% of 75 equal to what percent of 150? Okay. Equal to what? 300% of what? This is a tricky question, guys. Okay. I have one question here. You need to answer. Second is to fill in the blank this one. I need to understand this and this. You can take your time. Okay, but I need answers. Take your time. Let's see where we can go. Parnika, are you needing help or are you able to, ma?
Yeah.
You're
Well-
able to, or do you need help?
Well, I'm gonna try. So if the answer
Yeah,
doesn't,
okay.
then
Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Sarvata, do it one by one, ma. Why do you not know? These are two different problems put together, right? Sarvata,
Yeah.
these are two different problems put together, right? This is exactly the same as what we did, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we try? No, guys. No. The same thing what we did, I have given you as two different problems. Now everybody says I don't know. That puts me off really. Akshat, perfectly correct. Both are correct. It's just the same problem. I made it complicated by giving two different things. You are all doing it, right? Akshat, that's correct. I want you to try Sarvata. I want you to try the right side first. Sarvata, are you doing the right side first?
Yeah.
Varnika. Can we retry the first one, ma? I mean, Can we retry the first answer that you have given?
Is it wrong?
Yes. More than saying wrong doesn't matter as long as let's see.
Mm, 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 mm.
Arhan, that's correct. Sarvata, did you get the right side answer?
I only got 50% right now.
Yeah, that's fine. But you're getting it, right? Yeah, everybody knows because you did the same thing. Kiara, I also want you to do the right hand side first. Can you do the right hand side first for me? Neil, can you do the right hand side? Neil,
I'm stuck on the right hand side.
why would you get stuck on the right hand side? What did you find? 60%.
Oh, wait. I think I've got it.
See? It's just that as soon as I put it in a different way, you guys are saying, I don't know. Just because then I will become very strict. You have to get it, I'll say. Because I really want to help you, but at the same time, you have to think about, if you really know, you will have to try. Varnika, can I help you? How did you do the second one, ma? How did you do the second answer? Can you explain? Varnika,
Yeah.
explain the second one. How did you do? Arhan, correct. How did you do the second one, ma?
So first I did 60 times 75
Why is 60 times 75?
because those are the two numbers in the thing.
No. How did you do the part by whole method?
I kind of didn't get it, so that I just did that.
No,
After
no, that's not allowed. Okay, I really want you to understand this because school will dock all the points if you do it in another way. I don't have a problem personally, but they would want you to follow the part by whole method. That's why that start at the level of 6th grade. Okay.
so then
Okay. Okay. Bakia, Varnika, no ma. I'll do it on the board for you. I'll do it on the board, Varnika. Neil, can you help me? Go ahead and explain. What did you do?
So I did 75 to try and convert it to 100 to be equal with the whole of 100. So I did divided by 3 times 4, which is 100.
Mm-hmm.
And 60 divided by 3 times 4 is 80. So
60
then
divided by
4
60.
is 80. So then I did
So basically, see, first of all, let's, okay, go ahead. 3 by 5. So now, part will be equal to what? 5 parts will be equal to 3 times 75, right? So you divide by 5, divide by 5, part will be equal to 3 times 15, correct?
yeah.
So what happens? What is the answer?
I got 80% of 150.
Wait. Let's do it slowly. 15. So that will be equal to part is what? Kiara, that's correct. Can you proceed? Yeah, everything is correct. Good job. Okay. Looks like you got everything correct, Kiara. 45, right? Now, part this one evaluates to 45. Remember that. Now I can solve the entire problem nicely. So let's try this out. 300% of what will be equal to 45. So again the same thing, guys. Part by whole. Part by whole is First percentage, right? 300% means 300 comes here. Of what? What is W? I don't know. So part is 45 by W equal to 300 by 100. 300 by 100 is 3 by 1. So 3W. Butterfly, remember? 3W equal to 45. W equal to 15. So one side is done. So this watt is 15. Now coming here, part by whole equal to x by 100. 45 is given, but they're asking what percentage. So you have to find out x. Whatever follows the off is 150, part is 45, will be equal to x by 100. Okay, now what do I do? 45 by 150, I can easily simplify. 5 9s are 45, 5 3s are 15, 30, 3 3s are 9, 10. So 3 by 10 equal to x by 100, right? So x will be equal to 300 by 10, which is 30. So the answers are 30 goes here. 30% of 150, 300% of 15 will be equal to 60% of 75. Any questions, guys?
None.
None.
The only thing but how is it 30% and not 50%? Because 75 equals 50% of 150.
Oh, Sarvata, the question is 60% of 75.
Yeah, and then it also says 75 equals 30%.
It is not saying 75 equal to mass. 60% of 75, first you need to evaluate what it is. So rewrite this entire equation. 30% of what will be equal to 45 will be equal to what percent of 150? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So the thing is, you cannot equate. This is a full question. 60% of 75. You need to evaluate that. And then rewrite the entire problem. Saket, are you getting Saket?
Yeah.
I saw your answer though. Correct.
I completely ignored the of.
I got it. So you grouped this, huh?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did that and
yeah.
then that.
Now, do you see, Sarvata? It's the same problem that we did. Make sense?
So I got 50% and yeah.
I get it, but I think you know the concept now. So whenever you are given one, you have to evaluate that, find out the number. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good guys. Okay, so now you're going to do from page number 14. Page number 14, leave 2021. Page number 14. Page number 14 till what you can do? You can do till 24. Page number 14 till 24. Can we try, guys? Page number 14 till 24.
I
In
think
the
we can do it.
Yeah, ma. Go ahead. What is your question? Guys, I'm listening. What is your question?
Did you say that we ignore question 20 and question 21?
I want you to try. There are puzzles, okay. First, I initially thought, oh, why to give it to you? But why don't you try comprehending, right? If you don't understand, we'll discuss. I'm always here to discuss, right? Can we try that?
Okay.
Yeah.
I really think you should try because see those puzzles, if you go over the directions are very clear. So why don't you try? And after that, I'll do it with you 100%. You get it?
Got it.
Okay. 14 to 24. We'll do that. Neil, does it make sense?
Yep.
Can we stop here, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
And we'll see you next week. We are just grinding and grinding percentages. That's what I'm saying. Whether you go to 7th grade or do your 6th grade, it will be really very useful. Okay. Can I stop here?
Huh?
Can I
Yes.
stop here? Okay.
Yes.
If you have questions, ask. Otherwise, you can log off. See you all next week, guys. Have a nice week ahead. Bye, ma.
Yeah, I have one question.
Absolutely. Tell me, Varnika. 1
So,
minute. Let me stop the
the
recording.
answer I got was 1.5 and 30. Wasn't it correct?